Hello everybody, how's it going? Hackers here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And today I want to show you guys a project that I've been working on for Hytale. It is a Hytale server dashboard. You can say something like this. Okay, so how does this thing work? Let me show you here. I have here a GitHub repository. I will leave the link in the description. You can check it for yourself. So there is user interface for Hytale servers you can use in your local server, or if you want to host a server, you can use this interface. It's very simple, this free version, but I think it helps a lot. So let me show you a little bit about our interface. So there you go. Once you download it, you have to put your server folder and asset folder in the folder that you downloaded. Okay, you need to have your stash file as well. Once you have that, you can open a terminal. In this case, I'm using Linux. So in this case, I want to use the sh file. So if you don't have everything that is necessary, the file itself will install everything that is needed and will open up this dashboard folder for you. Okay, once you can see the things that you can do. You can start server and we will automatically scan the server for you, and okay, it's running. So let's try it out. So once you're here, you can go on server. I already connect my one here. You can direct connect by saying localhost, okay, and you can pretty much connect on it. And let's check. Okay, so we are here, and there you go. Here I am. The players online. You can see, you can kick, you can do little things here. You can see here our server console. It's here, and you can change the path to having your stuff here. Also the RAM in your server. So it's pretty simple, but it's pretty useful, and I think it's very intuitive and easier to use. Okay, if you want to stop the server, let's see here, we are on the game, and once I stop the server, boom. Okay, so this is the free version. It's working. You can download it and use it for free. Okay, just don't sell it. Okay, but it also helps a lot. And I have another version that I'm working on. I think I will leave it available to download on the coffee page. I'm not sure yet because I have to take care of a lot of details and polish the interface. But let me show just an example of how it is right now. There you go. Here you have a little bit more stuff, or different stuff. You still need to add your server folder and your asset folder and your start.st or bat, depending if you're using Windows or Linux. Okay, if you have any problem with the configuration of the server, you can open the config.json file, put manually the folders and the ways that it should use. Okay, but in this case, I'm just going to use here the dashboard. Okay, and it will run and open up for me the dashboard. Here you have a lot of things going on. We'll hide my IP, of course. Okay, so you have the CPU usage, players online. You see the CPU usage is a little bit different here. The memory, the max that you have here, the console page with some commands. Some of them are not working yet. I'm working on it. Yeah, so make sure if I leave this available, if you try to use these commands, some of them may not work. Okay, so I have the player management, have the server automation. You can do these schedule tasks here, the auto restart from the initial dashboard. You can set or disable backup rotation and performance optimizations. If you want to use it or not, it's here. The settings right now is not available yet, but some minor adjustments are built in the code at this point. Okay, you can leave it off or on, your choice. You have here the security center. You have some protections against DDoS, login protection. You have in the audit log that you can enable a file to record everything that happens in the server. This was my test here. Okay. And also, if you want a second factor authentication for your admins, you can set here, define here the password and how much time it will need, if you want pipe list or everything. There you go, it is right here at this moment. I'm going to implement probably more features, but at this point this is it. Okay, you can see here the plugins that we have. You can reload and also delete them. Let's delete this one right here. Okay, and it's deleted. Be careful because this delete in the folder, and you also can upload here direct to the folder. Okay, plugins and mods. In this case, I have to change the name. Okay, but all of them are working. You also have the backup manager. You can create backups. Let's create a backup now. Okay, we will see here the size increasing. Okay, and let's see how much megabytes our server has. And there you go, 293 megabytes. You can restore or delete. In this case, let me delete this. I don't need this. Okay, you can set for daily. We have some weekly backups working on right now. No, let's cancel it. And monthly backup. You can set here, it will detect and monthly do this backup for you. Okay, and we have the config page. You can set the name, the message for the players that join your server, the maximum run and minimum run. Also have some IP to change and port if you want to. You see, there's some minor details that need to be changed right here as well, so keep aware that it's not perfect at the moment. And some premium features. You have some performance alerts if you need, and you can also set an auto restart for the server if you think that is necessary. And the update center. Okay, at the moment this is the last version, so there is nothing to update at the moment. Okay, just to be sure. And one thing different in this one here is that you can change themes. Let me show that they are just for the dashboard. It doesn't work anywhere else. Okay, if you try to open up it, you're not going to be able to use it anywhere. Okay, so what we're going to do, you're going to come here in static themes. I'm going to place it here. Once you've done that, you can reload the page. Okay, and you can change themes here. So let me show a few themes. We have Aeroglass. This is one of the I like the most. It's very professional and clean. I like it, especially, you see. But yeah, I have to take care of a few things here. Yeah, we have Cute Kawaii. It's not finished yet. Okay, of beautiful things working. We have Cute Kawaii too. Kawaii is like cyberpunk style. You see that there is gradient changing. Yes, very. We also have the neon negative green. It's a little bit more old school server style. Let's say like this, at least for me. Okay. So we're still working on the themes. We're still working on the program itself, but you can already use Let's Start the Server, for example. So before we try to enter in the game again, you may need to authenticate your server, okay, with the Hytale, everything that they need. So in this case, what you're going to do, you're going to come here, in your folder, and you're going to open the terminal and do the activation as default. This default will be working as a button available at this moment just for Linux users. For Windows users, not yet, because I don't use Windows and try to use some virtual machines have some problems on it, so I'm trying to get a way around it. Okay, but We'll also, I think I will leave available a small version for Windows, so you can try it out for yourself. Okay, so that's all, guys. Thank you so much, and yeah, hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.